Copy trading has become an increasingly popular strategy in the cryptocurrency market, allowing individuals to automatically replicate the trades of experienced investors. By following skilled traders, newcomers and seasoned participants alike can potentially enhance their investment outcomes without needing to master complex trading strategies themselves. This approach leverages the expertise of professionals who have demonstrated consistent success. Selecting the right traders to follow is crucial, as their performance directly impacts your own results. With careful research and monitoring, copy trading can offer a more accessible path to navigating the often volatile world of crypto investing. Copy trading is a method that allows individuals to automatically replicate the trades of experienced investors. By linking their accounts to those of professional traders, users can mirror trading strategies in real time without needing in-depth market knowledge. One of the main benefits is the opportunity for beginners to learn from experts and potentially achieve similar returns. However, copy trading also comes with risks, as losses are possible if the chosen trader makes poor decisions. It's important to carefully research and select traders with a proven track record. Additionally, market volatility and sudden changes can impact results, so users should remain aware of the inherent uncertainties. Overall, copy trading offers a way to participate in financial markets with guidance, but it requires thoughtful consideration of both its advantages and potential drawbacks. When considering copy trading, it's essential to choose a platform that prioritizes transparency and security. Reliable platforms clearly display traders' performance histories, risk levels, and trading strategies, allowing users to make informed decisions. Look for services that offer robust security measures, such as encryption and regulatory compliance, to protect your funds and personal information. Additionally, a diverse selection of trader profiles enables you to find strategies that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. By carefully researching and comparing platforms, you can select one that best meets your needs and offers a trustworthy environment for copy trading. To identify profitable traders, it's essential to examine their performance history over time. Consistent returns, rather than occasional large gains, often indicate a sustainable trading approach. Evaluating risk management strategies is equally important, as successful traders typically set clear limits to protect against significant losses. Analyzing trading styles, such as day trading, swing trading, or long-term investing, can also reveal how a trader adapts to different market conditions. By considering these factors together, one can distinguish traders who are likely to maintain profitability in the long run. When assessing a trader's performance, several key statistics come into play. Win rate measures the percentage of successful trades, offering insight into the trader's overall effectiveness. Drawdown indicates the largest decline from a peak to a trough, highlighting potential risk exposure. Average returns provide a sense of the typical profit or loss generated over time. Consistency, often reflected in the regularity of returns and risk management, is crucial for sustaining profitability in the long run. By carefully analyzing these metrics, one can better determine a trader's potential for enduring success. Evaluating a trader's communication skills is essential for making informed decisions. Clear and timely updates help followers understand the trader's strategies and market outlook. Transparency about trade entries, exits, and the reasoning behind decisions builds trust and credibility. Responsiveness to questions or concerns demonstrates a commitment to the community and ensures followers feel supported. By considering these factors, individuals can better gauge whether a trader aligns with their expectations and risk tolerance. To begin, you'll need to create your account on the copy trading platform. Once registered, take some time to explore the available settings. It's important to adjust your copy trading preferences so they reflect your personal risk tolerance and investment objectives. You can typically set parameters such as the maximum amount to invest per trade, stop-loss limits, and the proportion of your portfolio to allocate to copying others. Reviewing these options carefully helps ensure your trading activity aligns with your financial goals and comfort level. Remember, the right configuration can help you manage risk while pursuing potential returns. Regularly monitoring your copied trades is essential for achieving the best possible outcomes. By keeping an eye on performance, you can identify patterns, spot potential issues, and make informed decisions about when to adjust your strategy. If certain trades consistently underperform, it may be time to reconsider the traders you follow or modify your risk settings. Staying proactive helps you optimize results and reduce the likelihood of significant losses. Remember, even automated or copied trading requires ongoing attention to ensure your investments align with your goals and risk tolerance. When copying crypto traders, it's important to avoid common pitfalls that can undermine your results. One frequent mistake is blindly following a trader without understanding their strategy or risk tolerance, which may not align with your own financial goals. Over-concentrating your investments in a single trader or asset can also increase your exposure to risk. To maximize your chances of success, diversify by following multiple traders with different approaches and regularly review their performance. Set clear limits for losses and gains, and avoid making impulsive changes based on short-term market fluctuations. Staying informed and maintaining a disciplined approach can help you navigate the complexities of copy trading more effectively. In summary, finding and copying profitable crypto traders requires careful research and a clear understanding of your own investment goals. Look for traders with a consistent track record, transparent strategies, and risk management practices that align with your comfort level. Take the time to review their performance history and community feedback before making any decisions. Remember, while copy trading can offer opportunities to learn and potentially grow your portfolio, it also carries risks. Always invest only what you can afford to lose and stay informed about market changes. By approaching copy trading thoughtfully and responsibly, you can enhance your experience and make more confident choices as you begin your journey.